Right, we ain't playing out here. We out here by the mountains. Dangerous stuff. Super dangerous. On the edge.
And it's like 20 feet, 24 feet tall.
Man, it's about over 100 feet up here.
Oh, word.
Yeah. Count your blessings. Get that daily bread now.